Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on unknown tracker alerts on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings application to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Next, scroll down and choose the Safety and Emergency or Emergency Info option. The exact name may vary depending on your Android version or phone brand, but it's usually in the System or Personal Settings section. Step 3. Now scroll down to locate the Unknown Tracker Alerts option. Tap on it. Unfortunately, this is turned off. Step 4. For the last and most important step, tap on the Unknown Tracker Alerts to turn it on instantly. Or if you have manual scan, select the Scan Now option. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.